you're going to see that it crouches down. And with that crouching down, it takes out the slack in the system and it floats the system, okay? And that's important. And then you'll be lifted off the ground and it's going to okay, and then you're seeing that over here, okay? So again, everybody stay behind the cone, stay on the grass, please. You need to use your safety. And again, before everybody goes up, we will be double checked to make sure that everything is connected to him safely, that he is safely connected to the rear light. You might be wondering how often these ladies go on the doctor shift. There is a requirement. When you're technical road rescue, you have to do at least 107 hours a year. They do a lot more than that. You don't want to do this together. You want to do it to be really proficient to your constant practice. Okay, so that's what ladies and gentlemen do. And that basically means you almost have to practice every day that you're on a shift in a month, right? We work 24-hour shifts. So there are some days you can practice a lot, other days where you can't do it for safety. If there's a thunderstorm or something outside, you can't practice for fire. So now time for this period is let the operators on the platform know. The patients can load in all safety checks that they're done and they're ready to be hauled on. Constant communication. So, here we go. Everybody just stay on the grass, please, and safely, okay? Okay, so now the lines are going to be tension. You're going to see firefighters there again, squat down a bit to make sure everything is preloaded for tension. There's no spot. Alright. Now what firefighter Smeal is going to show you here, he can control his position relative to the basket. So he can lower himself below the basket, he can lower himself above the basket, okay? So he can do a lot of different things to control the position of the basket to attend to the patient if he has to. In the center, he's pulling himself up. Climb over the basket on top of the basket if you have to, as he's demonstrated here. And see, he can talk to the patient. You can imagine if you have a patient that's afraid of heights, it's freaking out. If we have some eye-to-eye contact with them, you can reassure them and try and calm them. So the platform is being raised now. After the oil is raising the platform. And now they're going to swing it back behind the truck. So they're going to swing it over 90 degrees. And then they'll be lowering the patient with the firefighter Smeal. So everybody at the back, heads up. Make sure you give the truck some room, please. With the platform operator, they have the lines that can raise and lower the basket as well, right? So they're controlling those lines. So there's 3 people behind on the operations, right? One to operate the ladder, extend it out, rotate it. 2 are controlling the ropes to raise and lower and save the basket. Okay, so now they're in position and they'll slowly be lowered. So you can see everything is controlled, right? We can go fast, we can go slow. Now if we go at a controlled pace. And again, no drones, so we have firefighters on the ground to help the landing. Now we're communicating again with the truck. Provides some slack to go into the basket to the ground. Alright, so let's have a big round of applause for 9572, 9512, Technical Rope Rescue, among other disciplines. We thank them for their time today and appreciate them coming out. This is the first time we've actually demonstrated this to the public. So we hope you learned something.